So if you download that and put it in Notability, you also need to get yourself in a picture with the sky. It's kind of cold out this morning, so you know, if you have to take it through the window, that's okay. But get yourself a picture, and then we'll take a look at this file here for our second challenge. So we don't necessarily have to know the different types of clouds. We just kind of want to make connections as to why are there clouds today. So to give you some insight, clouds are named by their height and their shape, okay? And again, since you're not really required to know the difference between these clouds, this is just more fun, is kind of taking an estimate. Right? So we don't have instruments to tell you how high it is above the ground at your house, but we definitely know, you know, is it really high up? Is it kind of hanging out in the middle? And then what's it look like as far as the shape goes? So we're going to take a look at a picture I took here outside my backyard. I'm going to add from my photo library, recently added picture. I'm going to insert that photo. So there we go, and I'm going to stick it in this box here. And we're going to take a look at it. I know I'm not in my picture because I couldn't figure out the selfie thing. My finger kept getting in the way, so if that happens to you, I won't take points off if you're not in it. But good job to those of you that are in it. So you can see here that there are some kind of low-lying clouds there. That are kind of puffy, which would be those cumulus clouds. So you might see a mix of different kinds here, but overall the sky is like a sheet of clouds. And it was snowing earlier, so that gray sheet here we would call stratus. The puffier ones are going to be cumulus. So like I said, I kind of have two. But anyway, I would say that these are kind of middle clouds. They're not super low, they're not super high. So I'm going to call this alto stratus for today. Because again, alto is the middle cloud, stratus is that gray sheet. And then while I got you here on video, I'm going to check the weather to kind of figure out, you know, hey, why do we have clouds today? So if we take a look at Weather Underground here, let me find my app. I rearranged things the other day. So Weather Underground. And I'm still going off of Owego, which I don't live in Owego, so we could see a little variability there. But our dew point's 29 and our temperature's 35, humidity's 80%. Remember, when temp and dew point are equal, so like 35 degrees and 35 degrees, our humidity would be 100%, which is how your clouds, that's like step one, clouds have to form when your humidity's high. So we would have learned that when our temp and dew point are equal, you know, condensation can occur, humidity's high, and that's how you form clouds, through condensation. So don't forget, condensation is when our vapor or our gas form of water goes to liquid, and that's what a cloud is, these liquid water droplets that are up in the sky. And it's not just liquid, actually. It's actually all kinds of pollen and dust and all that other stuff that's up in the atmosphere, which we actually call condensation nuclei, fancy term for just the stuff that's up there in the atmosphere. And that's what the cloud kind of attaches to. So if you've ever heard that, like, the air is cleaner after it rains or snows, it's because not only is the liquid falling, but so is that pollen and dust and sometimes pollution is falling from the air as well. So kind of interesting for you to think about for today. But definitely we have some precipitation coming our way, whether it's in the form of rain or snow, depends on your temps. But that's all because we have our clouds today. So when you get this done, you can submit yours to Schoology and you'll get 10 points for your class period. All right. Thanks. Bye.